Hello family, you are once again welcome to Mathematics in 3 channel. That is the name, and I want to solve 4 questions I would have chose if I am to be a candidate this year. And anka fi me tro be year, anka be questions 4 when I make you soon. I don't want my video to be too long for my viewers, so I am solving only the question number 2. Okay. Question number 2a. Given the vectors p is equal to m plus 3, 2 minus n, comma, q is equal to 3m minus 1, n minus 8, and p equals q. Find the value of m and n. This arithmetic calculation is called vectors. So p is q, or p is equal to q. P na m plus 3, 2 minus n no. Ana q na 3m minus 1, n minus 8 no. So baby p be the p the shim. Baby q be the q the shim. So equating it, let's deal with the upper part first. Upper part na m plus 3 is equal to 3m minus 1. And to see m plus 3 no, natural you equating to 3m minus 1. I'll see here the being group like terms. And to minus 1 be cross equal to sign no. Now be plus 1. About cut 3 no, to be 3 plus 1. And m plus 3 no. Sa m no so be cross equal to sign no. Now I cut 3m no. To be 3m minus m. Because na m ne positive na cross re. And to be negative. And negative there no a change a positive, and a positive na a negative no. Me the color green as a can. So if you only understand change of subjects, then that is a good way to go. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3m minus m ends you 2. Whereby 2 goes into itself once and it goes into 4 too. So we can say that the value for the variable m is 2. Variable na m no, and unknown number represented with a letter, and a value na number na yabe variable no, which is the 2. So that is it. But one here we are doing the lower part, which is the y. If we are using this to represent the graph, then the 2 minus n minus 8 will be the y-axis. In sanka it is a graph anka sa 2 minus n is equal to n minus 8 no, can be y side no. And any change of subject kakra and I'm there wrap on this one. And it's a 2 journey baby, and I say 8, and that's minus 8 bar. Minus 8 better than plus 8. Now equal to n. N journey baby na minus n across 3, a bear plus n. So 2 plus 8 is 10, and n plus n is 2n. So baby I made a change of subjects. No? I use minus n and minus 8. So I use some violet color to circle it. So let's divide both sides by 2 to get the value for the variable n. So 2 cancels itself once, and it cancels 10 5 times. Therefore, we can say that the variable n is equal to 5. So m is 2 and n is 5. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, please kindly do that for me and like this video, share it to others. Let's solve question 2b. A man shared an amount of money between his children, Baba and William, in the ratio 6:5. Baba received Ghana cedis 1,200, or in other words, 1,200 Ghana cedis. So this refers to ratio and proportion. So if you saw 6:5, it means that we are talking about ratio. And the amount Baba received was 1,200 cedis. So we can use Baba's amount to find the total amount and also William's amount. So I enable science find the total amount shared. And I know to say Williams invested his share in an interest per annum for 2 years. Find the total amount in his accounts at the end of 2 years. Okay. The decan, bear in mind, say we have only 2 ratios, which is 6 and 5. Now, we know for Baba's amount of money, which is 1,200 cedis. What are 2 man? This can help us find the total amount shared. How? Okay, let's try to solve this. Before I say solve, no, bear in mind numerator and denominator. And as a fraction, 3 and equal to signs, so 3. If you don't know about this, then today you will understand. So you know for Baba's ratio 6, Williams ratio 5. Total ratio is 6 plus 5, which is 11. Now, to get BECE amount, we know already 1,200 cedis. Now, we know for BECE amount, but BECE amount can help us get the total amount. I'm not going to start now. Into BECE ratio is 6. It must be upon the total ratio, which is 11. So BECE ratio offer over the total ratio, which is 11 now. It means if BECE ratio over 11, need to multiply total amount and then BECE amount. I am repeating, if BECE ratio over the total ratio, need to multiply total amount BECE amount. So 6, which is the BECE ratio of 11, the total ratio times total amount, which is m, give us 1,200 cedis, which is BECE amount. But 6 times m will be 6m. Now, when I make one m, no, so 6 times m, then 6m there. It is 6m over 11. 6m near numerator, 11 near denominator, and equal to sign shame. We can say that a fraction, 6m over 11 a fraction. 11 about can multiply 1,200 because equal to sign a shame fin. So a fraction, over to me the denominator, no, I can multiply the next numerator. The cross equal to sign, and 11 multiply 1,200 cedis. Into 6m is equal to 1,200 cedis times 11, which gives us 13,200. You perceive the value for the variable m. So therefore, we have to divide both sides by 6. So the by 6 back cancel 6. Then m is equal to 6 into 13,200. So 6 cancel 6 aka m on 1. 6 got 13 2 times. Into na 2 no. Now remember 1. Yeah, the same one about 2 no now 12. 2 na 200 no. Yeah, don't become about 12. 6 got 12 mu twice and that's 2 times. Into metro 2 back aka 2 na jan on the no. Now aka 0. I can say that I have to write the same 0 no. I'm that attach it. This is how I used to divide mathematically. But but there's a mistake. And I want you to figure out the error. But some mistake I'm here. Okay, you wonder, but let me tell you, I forgot one thing, which is the CD sign. The CD sign. And so all mathematical equation we say, and as what to me solve mass be say, now we few units see this now. Then it means that okay, you know what is up, right? So also me see this down. So the total amount is equal to 2,200 cedis. So that is it. More videos be about ratio and proportion using even triangle. So I'll put that video in the description section below. So that if you go into my bio, you can find that video. Okay, so I is already solved, but we can find II. Williams amount should be BECE amount subtracted from the total amount. And get total BECE can free total amount. I sika Baba ni Williams sika nema. Benya Williams sika. So total amount minus BECE amount give us Williams amount. Okay, and the total amount 2,200. And BECE amount so and no say 1,200. So 2,200 cedis minus 1,200 cedis give us 1,000 cedis. Then it means that 1,000 cedis in the Ben Williams sika. Also, the curly brackets no, I make a specification say I'm dealing with the II. So I'm cleaning the thing, but I won't clean the II. That is why I use the curly bracket to make it specify. So I can say that interest is equal to principal times rate times time, or over 100%. So I'm referring to brackets. Let me put the principal times time times rate in the brackets, then over the 100 like this. Now I can say that principal and 1,000 cedis because we are talking about Williams investments. Instead, the Williams can be casem. Yeah, for BECE can casem. So 1,000 cedis times the rate near the bank 20 because I the my question and I'm the red pen or a. Then the time is for 2 years. Okay, all over 100. So mathematically, I can say that since 100 no 2 zeros as the last digit these 2 zeros will cancel the last 2 zeros of the 1,000, remaining with 10 cedis. That is how we divide. So we have 10 cedis times 20 times 2. Okay, I've cleaned the question. Now let me write it well. So over 1, and any number over 1 is the same number. So over 1, I just did it like that, but you can choose to ignore because any number over 1 is the same number. So 10 times 20, 200, and 200 times 2 is 400. Therefore, our total amount, William's interest is 400 cedis. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next part and subscribe.